For us, since we all here, being all chummy and stuff. Yeah. Arise to see the colors in the valley, cast by the early morning light. The sunrise is high above the valley. I've never seen a more beautiful sight. There's a place in the valley that always sets my soul and spirit free. Manoa ikaw na kapuli, kaya maliye o pikake. Manoa kahabay tubig, aloha no kuhome o Hawaii. Imalang the moon rises high above the mountains. The misty rain passes through its light. Clouds drift gently across the valley. The scent of the buoy fills the night. There's a place in the valley that always sets my soul and spirit free. Manoa ikaw na o kapali, kaya maliye o pikake. Manoa kahabay ulubehi, aloha no kuhome o Hawaii. Malama ikaina o iwi, aloha no kuhome o Hawaii. Malama ikaina o iwi. Written by Jeff Peterson, people.
Aloha. We'll be back later.
All right.